Hello.
Hi. How can I help?
I have an American Standard heating and AC unit that keeps giving me an alert code SOP.004.56.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
We just moved into the home a month ago and the filter was supposed to be looked at.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
I just noticed it about an hour ago. I have been trying to get an idea of what this code is.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Outside of me not knowing a lot, I can't think of anything else.
Hello, SOP.004.56 is a discharge temperature error code. Click here for the manual. Note, discharge temperature limit trips will create an alert, SOP.004.56, and heating/cooling operation is temporarily defeated. Once the discharge temperature is below the max limit and the minimum off time has elapsed, zoning operation will resume and the alert will clear. See bottom of page 9. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer/electrical, boiler, and HVAC contractor retired. Allow time for me to pull manuals, do CAD drawings or type responses for you before terminating our discussion, please. I will always stay with you to the very end, and in over 98% of the questions I deliver a suitable solution. Phone call offers are automated and entirely optional. That will speed things up, however. Catalog searches and typing a well thought out and helpful response take time. There can be that delay as well. And I sleep at night, of course. Note 1, on this end we do not stand by. I am notified when you post back, and that puts you back to the head of my queue, so there can be that wait. You would see that error code on very hot days, above the system's normal design temperatures, or if the home got above 85 or 90 F inside, on an exceedingly hot day, and you started the unit at that time instead of turning it on in the AM and letting it keep the house cool all day. Minor note, I consider such complexity in a home AC system completely, utterly and entirely beyond the edge, to put it cautiously. Getting competent repair MHO will be a standing miracle. This is moon rocket level complexity in a home appliance when the gain for the approach is a fly speck compared to the likely cost of future repairs.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.